Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off two-step verification on Fiverr. To turn off two-step verification on Fiverr, first tap Open Application or visit the official website fiverr.com. Either way, make sure that you are logged in. After this, tap on the More option located on the bottom right. Tap on Settings. Here, tap on Privacy option. Now tap on two-step verification. Here you can see that this account two-step verification has been enabled. Below you will see the option to change your PIN, change email, and right below change email you will see the option for disable. Tap on it. You have to enter your PIN code for confirmation. Make sure that it is correct. Once you do that, this pop-up message will appear. Tap on disable for confirmation. And now you can go back to two-step verification and check whether your two-step verification has been disabled or not. As you can see, your two-step verification has been successfully turned off. For added security, you have to enable two-step verification by creating a PIN for your account. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.